obVus Solutions, one thing I do want to say about this company is that they are soon going to be bringing all their production over to the US. That is the plan, so I always commend that. I love production taking place here in the US, so that is in the future plans for obVus. You just pop it open, and there you go. There's little rubberized feet on the bottom here that are gonna allow it to stay in place. So as you're typing, this is not gonna move around, and of course you do have your nice little trackpad over here that you could utilize. So this is the Magic Keyboard from Apple. Look at that. It is literally the exact same size, and then of course you do have the touchpad edition over here. My Apple Magic Keyboard is sliding, if you notice that, more than the obVus keyboard here, the Minder keyboard. But funny thing is, I think my iPhone is actually heavier than the keyboard itself, which is wild. The fact that you have a full-size keyboard and actually could weigh less than an actual iPhone.